Now here one of the most important feature, variable size fillet. So just go to fillet and here you will find one option, variable size fillet. This is one of the important thing in SolidWorks fillet option. If I am going to choose any one fillet, you will see number of instances in pink color. At this point you can make different size of dimensions. If you want a different size of fillet at this point, comes down here, two fillets instances selected, start and end point. See, this is unassigned. Even though if you choose here 50 millimeter set all, see both full end is set 50 millimeter, but if you set unassigned and if you choose any one, and here you can change it, let's say 10 millimeter, see, and even though directly you can choose it from here, click enter, it's 40 millimeter. If it comes little down here, you have profile, either choose circular. In most of the cases people going to choose circular. There is one option also there, conic row. Here you have to put ratio, conic ray ratio, then conic radius also the same thing, you have to put the ratio. So in most of the cases we will use circular. Now here number of instances, here 1 2 3 number of instances. If you want to increase, see, you will see 4 number of instances. Smooth transition, if you click straight, see, it's become a straight line. If you say okay, see, it's become a straight line. Now let's apply to other side. Fillet, constant size fillet. If I'll click this one, you will see here number of parameters, 3 number of instances. I'll choose 4. Let's say first one we will assign 5. Okay, now second one, you can click on the second one and here you will see options, unassigned and 20%. 20% means it is the location from one end, it is located at this edge at 20% of the location. If you click this one, you can assign, let's say 10, enter, and even though you can change this position, let's say 30%, enter. See, it's changed location from here to here, but still we are able to access the 20% location. If I'll click this one, 40% assigned here, let's say 20. If you set this one, assign 50, let's assign 30, so it looks more better. That's it. So this is how you can set your instances. If I'll say okay, see, delete, and again I'll see one more condition, fillet, variable fillet. Now here I'll choose 3 edges. Now see, if you comes down here, one option, setback parameters, here choose vertex. If I am going to choose this vertex, let's assign first our fillet, all set para, no, let's say all set 10 millimeter, all set, click here all set, and see, it's going to set 10 millimeter all. If you comes here, see, all 50 millimeters is assigned setback parameters at vertex. If I'll choose first one and here change 10 millimeter, okay, now see, at one direction 10 millimeter. If I'll choose second one, 30 millimeter, okay, see, at the down 30 millimeter, and rest, let's say 50 millimeter. Now see, the shape you can see according to our requirement, how you will get. So this is the very important feature in SolidWorks fillet, and you can modify your edges at any circular way. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.